Hi, Phil Benham here with ProductDyno. In this short video, I want to show you how to integrate your products or collections with Thrivecart as your payment gateway. I want to point out that you'll notice when you first try to add Thrivecart as a payment gateway, you'll see a message saying no account found in the payment processor account field. Whenever you encounter this message, you'll need to set up a payment processor for that payment gateway. Let's see how you do that for Thrivecart. Look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Global Integrations. Then click Payment Processors. Click the Add Payment Processor button to your Thrivecart account. Make sure Thrivecart is selected as the gateway and give it a nickname for your own reference. You may add multiple Thrivecart accounts, so this is one way to keep track of them. Next, we need to add our secret word from our Thrivecart account. So we'll open a new tab in our browser and log into Thrivecart. To view our secret word, click on the settings icon in the top right navigation bar. Find the API and webhooks section and click on the View button. Then click on the View Settings button for the Thrivecart API section. You can select and copy what is there, or click the Generate New Secret Word button, then select and copy what's been generated for you. Now we can go back into ProductDyno and finish setting up Thrivecart. Just paste in the secret word we copied and click the Save button. Notice that we create a card for your Thrivecart account. Before you go any further, you should read the info tooltip we provide for you. In this case, you'll learn that you need to copy this endpoint URL and paste it into your Thrivecart account. This is how Thrivecart will notify ProductDyno when purchases, refunds, or cancellations happen. Go ahead and click the copy icon for the webhook URL on the Thrivecart card that we created for you. Now go back to your Thrivecart account and click on the settings link in the top right of the navigation bar. Find the API and webhooks section and click on the View button. Then click on the View Settings button for the webhooks and notifications section. You should have up to 5 webhooks available. If you've used any, you may edit an existing one or click the Add Another Webhook button. And if you haven't set any webhooks up, just give your first one a name in the name field. This could be anything, but I suggest you create a name that will help you remember how you're using this webhook. Then paste in the webhook URL we copied from your ProductDyno Thrivecart card. Click the Save This Webhook button and we're all set up. What you've just done now is enable Thrivecart to work with your ProductDyno account for any products you decide to sell. Now we'll go back into ProductDyno to our products page. We'll click on the Manage link for our product and wait until we see the Manage Product page. Then we'll click Payment Gateways to integrate it with Thrivecart. Just click the Add Payment Gateway button to start adding Thrivecart to your product. Begin by giving this gateway a name for your own reference. You may want to think about if you'll have multiple payment gateways or multiple pricing structures so that you can give this a name to reflect those plans. Make sure that Thrivecart is selected as your gateway. All we'll need here is the product ID for the Thrivecart product you want to associate with this ProductDyno product or collection. Go back into your Thrivecart account and click on the Products link in the navigation bar. If you have not yet created your product inside of Thrivecart, be sure to create it first, then continue. If you've already created your product inside of Thrivecart, scroll down to the tab with the list of your products. Find the product you want to associate with your ProductDyno payment gateway and click the Edit button. Now look to the address bar of your browser to find the URL. Notice the number to the right of the word Products in the URL? This number is your product ID, so make note of it. Now go back into your ProductDyno dashboard with the Payment Gateway dialog for Thrivecart and paste or type in the product ID number you just noted in the address bar for your product in your Thrivecart account. If your product is a standalone product, all you'll need here in the Gateway ID field is the product ID number of your Thrivecart product. Now for the purpose of full integration with Thrivecart, if your ProductDyno product is a product bump for your original standalone Thrivecart product, you'll need to add the text bump, then a hyphen, then your original standalone product ID number to this field. Now, to explain this a little better, let's imagine that you have a different product that you've already set up as a standalone product in Thrivecart and also as a product in ProductDyno. That means that you've already created a payment gateway for this other product. And let's say you've used the product ID as the number 9. So now if anyone purchases that standalone product via your Thrivecart checkout, they'll get access to it. Now, you just created a second product and you want to set up this payment gateway so that it becomes an order bump for that other original standalone product. You would then go into Thrivecart, add the order bump for the product, and set it up inside of the original standalone Thrivecart product. Then you would come into the ProductDyno product that you're adding as an order bump and create the payment gateway for it. In the gateway ID field, you would type in BUMP- and the number 9, or the product ID number of the original standalone product. So in essence, you would have two products in ProductDyno, one being the original standalone product and the other being the order bump product. For the standalone product, you will create a payment gateway using just the product ID number, and for the order bump product, you'll create a payment gateway using the word bump, a hyphen, and the same product ID number as the standalone product. The only difference being that the order bump product has the word bump and a dash. Now, anyone who purchases the original standalone product and takes advantage of the order bump will get access to both products. And if they did not take the order bump, they'll only get access to the original standalone product. Now, going further down the rabbit hole, if you have additional products that you're using as upsells or downsells, you'll find the product ID number in Thrivecart just as you would for a standalone product. Let's go back to Thrivecart so I can show you. On the products page, scroll down to the tab with the list of your products. Then click the upsells or downsells tab and click the edit button for the product you want to use as your upsell or downsell. Now look to the address bar of your browser to find the URL, just like we did with the product. Notice the number to the right of the word upsells or downsells in the URL? This number is your product ID, so make note of it. Now go back into your payment gateway dialog for the upsell or downsell product inside of ProductDyno. In the gateway ID field, you would type upsell or downsell, a hyphen, then the product ID number you just noted in the address bar for that product in your Thrivecart account. That's it. Just to recap, because I know this was quite a bit of information. For a standalone product, you'll just use the product ID number here in the gateway ID field. If it's an order bump product, you will type the word bump, then a hyphen, and the product ID number for the original standalone product it's being used as an order bump for. If it's an upsell or downsell product, you'll type the corresponding word upsell or downsell, a hyphen, and then the Thrivecart product ID for that upsell or downsell product. The expired settings will be covered in another video. For now, let's just go ahead and save this payment gateway. Here we'll see that Thrivecart gateway in this list of payment gateways. Notice that we have not created an IPN or checkout URL for you. That's because you'll be creating your own sales pages, which should have your own buy button that links directly to the Thrivecart product checkout URL. When customers purchase your products there, Thrivecart will let ProductDyno know and the system will set up everything automatically. Now, you're all set up to sell your product using Thrivecart. ProductDyno will handle all of your buyers as members and will adjust their access accordingly, as well as remove their access if they cancel or refund later. To learn more about Thrivecart and all the other services that ProductDyno integrates with, we encourage you to visit our resources page found here in the left navigation bar of your ProductDyno dashboard. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our other ProductDyno tutorial videos.